Push me. No, no, you're not gonna want to do that, do you? You don't. Soon you go in here, push.
And already
grab here straight away. Grab his eyeball. Up here. Push me. Push. Push. Up here. Knee to nut. Now. Grab his hand here. See my hand here? Push me.
Oh, yeah.
Push me. Push me. Everyone, it's Master Wong here. I'm back in Kent again and visit my brother is here. And we go down to his gym to show some technique to some of the students here, some fan here. What is your question today?
So I was wondering, if someone comes at you like this... Well, that's that solved.
That's sort of problem now. What is that question anyway? I don't know what the fuck that question is. What's that question?
It's just because so many people, you see it in the street, so many people, they get aggressive, they do that first.
Right.
They go here
and then push.
And then they push and
right.
push
Okay.
and push.
Two things here to understand, yeah? This is very important. You have to understand at the moment when we're training, we have open space.
Yeah.
We have mat.
Yeah.
Now, if you push me and I trip over, I fall down, yeah?
Now,
what happened to you?
Yeah,
you jump on top now, you're going to be on top of me because you're on the same, so you're going to slam me, my head on the ground. What happened?
Yeah, you're fucked.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
And you know what happened when you go down the ground when you're dead?
Yeah.
It's bad news. Your wife want to left you and go to next door and sleep with your best friend because I mind your best friend so much because he got a long one than you know what I mean? And this is the problem. So that's why the problem is, grab again, positioning. Okay? If you have that, push me. See, I've got the joint here. Okay, push. See, support, push. You understand that?
Yeah.
Now you're supporting, grab again. See, now you're here. See my hand here?
Yeah.
Yeah? So I'm attacking this here. Then this hand go to the eyeball. I'm gonna play with the eye like this. Yes, nice, yeah?
Send me to sleep.
Oh, yes, it's quite good. Oh, hold on a second. All right. Where's your eyeball? Here it is. Okay, I want to take it out now. Oh, yeah? So I'm going to play with his eye, just like his bull back, you know? Sometimes you grab them and play with that, but at the moment, you know, some of you don't want to do that. So you just play nice them on the eyeball. So, position, grab, position. Second, too far, move your head back. Move head back. Grab that. So, you turn around and say, hey, what about I move my head back? Like this. I can't grab it. You don't. You bring this hand to here. And then... Still... Hold on. I want in the right angle to it. Hold on. No camera here. See, I want to lay my hand up first. Hold on. Oh, okay, here.
Oh.
And then I go like this first and I... Oh.
That's deep penetration.
And then that go in. And then I grab his ears here and I rip it up here. And then hold on. I lay my leg up first. And then I... Oh, yeah. And I grab your nose. Okay, hold on. This is too many fucking... Oh, shit. And then when you see him like this, you go like this. See him. Hold on. Have you get any phone number? Ring his wife up and say to him, he been sucking too much and he passed out. So, it's a bad news, isn't it? It's a fucking bad news, man.
Bad news for everyone.
Yeah, because it's a big problem. Yeah. The problem with people training in martial art don't realize positioning. Yeah. And because something like this happened like so big, yeah? If you're coming in, say he's bigger than you, push me, push, I'm gonna hit something, I'm gonna fall over. Yeah, it's a big problem. So he push me. Push me, man. Push me. Now, he made me move, then he got more movement.
But it takes time to get you to go.
Yeah, but you're not going to sit there and turn around and say, push me. No, you're not going to want to do that, do you? You don't. Soon you go in here, push.
And already
grab here straight away. Grab his eyeball. Up here. Push me. Push. Up here. Knee to nut. Now, grab his hand here. See my hand here? Push me.
Oh, yeah.
Push me. What happened?
Oh, that's painful.
What happened?
Oh.
I shoved that on his ear hole. Yeah. Why? I can't put up his asshole. Too far away. So it's the best thing to do is shove in the ear hole at the moment and just help him to listen a little bit because you need to listen to people. You can't just be angry all the time.
Everything just went off balance then. That is very effective.
Every hole's a goal.
Yeah.
Every hole's a goal.
Every hole is the goal. I learned a little thing today, you know. That's quite good. So let me show you how effective that is. Oh!
Yes, yeah. Brutal, very good.
Yeah?
Very good.
Now you're big. You see I done to him? and then you move your head back because see,
I'm out the range.
I move that, I got to get hold of that. Okay? Now I turn, push me. So you see what I mean? I'm turning. He still can push, but it's right here. Yeah. What I do from here?
Like that.
Brutal.
Yeah. I can't do anything. All I got to do is play with the hole. That sounds bad, isn't it? This sounds pretty bad, isn't it?
You just play with his hole. It's
yes, that's bad, isn't it? Play with the hole. I mean, come on, man. That's bad, isn't it?
Extremely effective.
But it's very different.
Very effective.
Very different. Yeah. But the most important thing, like I mentioned, if somebody push, if you're not grounded, that's stand, grounding, positioning. If you don't get
once I start moving, the momentum, you're just running back.
Exactly. If you lost move me a bit, now you can move me. Yeah. But if you move me.
Yeah, once it's from the start,
you can't because you got to do that. You concentrate a lot of movement here. I give you 2 seconds before I come to apply because I'll give you some movement. I'm not going to start right away. You see? No. But the worst thing about this kind of training, kind of movement like this, okay, somebody grab like this, yeah, they're going to turn around. They said, oh, what about this? What about that? Now, if you haven't got that, if you're pushing, you're not going to be able to do anything.
You're going back, yeah.
You're lost. Another thing, if you tumble and your weight on top, you're dead. Big problem because you're in front of them and your head slammed on the ground, somebody, or like this, yeah. You push on my back here and hit that, but broken back. It's very dangerous. So this movement here, a lot of time when somebody grab like this, the positioning. Always remember the positioning, okay? And second, chop your head like that. If I certainly clap, you see,
same with the headbutt.
I set up my position and all I do is lift my leg up to the nut, okay? And then I'm dealing with that, then I move. Yeah. Do you understand that? Because it's very different. Your size different. Yeah. One, maybe he grabbed me because he's shorter than me. I can grab here easy, okay? Because I grab here and then pull the head back. You see harder? But you're different. You're stronger. Pull your head back. See? Now I see this. What am I going to do here? Oh my God, no, because he have to push me. Now I got a head. Yeah, I got come. See, if I got here, it's no good. Pull your head back.
Yeah, come out of
no good. Now what? Pull your head back.
Your shoulder. Yeah, you can't come back.
Ooh.
And now you can fuck his hole.
Yeah.
If you turn,
that is another problem.
Now I apply the same. Now, if you're clever, try to look for me. Oh, here. What happened in here? Okay.
Standing guillotine.
What? Boom and what? Did I do the guillotine on you?
Yeah.
No, did I do the guillotine?
No, just a triple on choke.
No, it's just literally no pressure, okay?
No.
Is there any pressure?
No.
Move.
Yeah, now there's pressure. As soon as I move.
Well, what happened?
Just that lot. I'm moving into it more than anything.
No, what happened? I didn't put any pressure though.
That's me moving.
No. What happened?
That's in that corner, yeah.
Yes, in that corner.
Just in here.
Yes, what happened? Yeah. Because if I put a guillotine on, you can get your head, get your body straight for me. You can lift me up, get body straight. See?
Yeah.
Now, okay? Now that's turn this way. Okay? Now I put a guillotine on, lift your head up. See now what happened?
Yeah, you up.
Now what? Lift your head up for me.
Yeah.
Lift your head up.
I can't. Yes. It's that little pressure point just in there. Oh, that's nasty. That's very effective.
You see?
Is that with the thumb? You just
see what happening is when they start to lift me up. No, just lift about your head, straight your body, be fine. Straight your body.
Straighten your body up.
Straight your body up. Just straight the body up. Lift up higher. Yeah, you can. See? Yeah, turn up this way. Okay. Now lift your body up. Lift your body. See? He can't lift me up. Look at him, his size. Now somebody turn around and said, you lift me up and grab me here. Like normal. Like lift me up and grab me inside. Lift me up and then dump me. See? Dangerous, isn't it? Dangerous, yeah? Because you can lift me up and dump me, yeah? That's dangerous, isn't it? You know how dangerous that is? Very dangerous. Now you do the same for me. Lift me up and dump me.
I can't, man. Ain't happening. That is not happening. You're not doing that.
So some of you need to understand, some fucking idiot out there thinking like, oh, I can lift you up and dump you.
Off a normal guillotine, yes, but as soon as that thumb goes into there, your brain's just thinking
exactly.
Too much pain.
Do we do normal stuff? No, we don't do normal stuff. That's why in the street have to be effective and pick me because he's big and strong and me, my side. Look at him, my side and his side. Okay? He can pick me up. It's so easy to pick me up. Okay? So imagine he picked me up and dump me, I'm going to be a big problem. Yeah? So this is the big problem. The problem is learn to understand the basic principle of your body.
One little thumb in the neck. And
Just the small thing. Nothing special.
The smallest thing.
Smallest thing. And that will fuck you up.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's not how you do it, you know. Get in good position. Position is important. Okay? If you come down here and I'm stand loose, stand like that, okay? Now pick me up.
Take your leg,
yeah,
take
my
you
leg. Yeah. Now it's a big problem, okay? See? Positioning. Get my leg. It's harder, yeah? Pick me up.
I can't.
Because I quite instant.
That's lovely.
Yeah?
Really is.
You like that?
Very good.
Very good. So if you, some of you out there got a pretty woman and sometimes they got a smaller hole and you don't get in good position, what happens if you get a woman don't get in good position? It don't go in, is it?
It's bad news. Bad news for both of you.
Yeah, but you didn't go in because not in, you got even the right position to get in, didn't it?
It's all about positioning.
All about positioning. So it's all about positioning, my friend. If you don't have a good position, you can't get it in. And that is bad.
Bad news.
Bad news. And if you're doing this kind of thing here, and if you're not in good position, you're going to have a problem. They're going to dump you down the ground. You look so ugly, and your wife will divorce you and go and find the ugliest ugly friend you got. And then he's going to play with her at night time. You know? And you're not going to happy at all. You're sad son of a bitch. Big problem. So, Master Wong here.
Brian.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to me before your enemy do. Otherwise, your enemy get in good position and then enter your woman hole. You will have big problems. So, Master Wong here, out!